Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you another yummy delicious snack got from Kenya. This is called Mahamri and it tastes so delicious, more delicious than donut. If you try this recipe, you'll not eat donut again, you'll be making this one. So let's get started. Let me show you how to make it. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using, just few ingredients. Once you have your flour, your sugar and your yeast, you're good to go. All other ones here are added jara. So I have flour, sugar, yeast, water. I'm using olive oil in place of butter, and then I'm using cinnamon. You can use any other flavor you want, but the main flavor they use for this is cardamom. I don't have that, so I'm using cinnamon, and then I'll be adding milk powder and milk flavor. You can use liquid milk for this. So let's continue. First and foremost, I'll mix all the dry ingredients with sugar. After mixing the dry ingredients, I'll then go in with my wet ingredients, which are just the olive oil, which you can use butter, and the water. I'm using a cup of water. Check the full measurements of the ingredients in my description box below. After adding the water, I'll then transfer to my stand mixer to help me and do the job of kneading. If you want to see how I knead the dough with my hands, I'll leave the link in my description box below. I'll allow the mixer to knead the dough until soft, and this can take about 12 minutes. Next, I'll sprinkle a little bit of oil on the dough or in the pan just to prevent it from sticking to the pan when proofing and rising. Then I'll cover and leave it in a warm place for about 45 to 60 minutes or until it doubles in size. And after 1 hour, our dough is ready for the next step. So on my workspace, I'll just sprinkle a little bit of flour on it, then place the dough, knead or fold it again just to remove the air and bubbles in it, and then cut it into smaller sizes, into about 5. you are selling this, you can measure it with scale to be sure that they are all equal. But we are making this for as snacks to eat in the house, so I don't need it to be that equal. Next, I'll use my rolling pin and roll it into a circular shape, or not too flat, before cutting it into four in a triangular shape. I hope I'm correct with that. This is what I mean by triangular shape. Oh. I'll transfer it to my flour tray and cut the rest of the dough in the same shape also. And here we have it. The next step now is to fry our Mahamri. I hope I'm pronouncing it well, my Kenyan friends. But before that, I'll cover it for about 10 minutes while I heat up some oil. Be sure not to fry on a very high heat. The oil should be in medium to low heat. After frying for about 5 minutes on one side, flip to the other side to fry also. Fry until both are golden brown, and then you take them out from the oil. And we repeat the process. And here we have our Mahamri, a delicious Kenyan snack. Very soft and fluffy and very, very delicious. Can you see that hole or space in the inside? You can even stuff in some vegetables there and enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We have tried. Do that now. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.